Happy Saturday. Thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert Meteorologist Denise Isaac. And this morning it is a cool start to our Saturday with temperatures in the 50s. Behind that cold front, temperatures really took a dive. And this morning waking up to spotty showers across Hillsdale County and also Lenawee. In the afternoon we can't rule out sprinkles once again to our south, but today will be dry. The sunniest part of our day will be this morning. And then throughout the day we'll start to see clouds on the increase. The wind will stay pretty stiff until about 5 p.m. and after that the wind will begin to ease. But overall it's a good day for your outdoor activities. Perfect to fly a kite with all this wind, and by tonight we're looking at partly cloudy conditions. So as we plan our Saturday, we do have bright sun by 9, 62. Breezy at 11, 70 degrees, warming up to only 77 degrees, so that's below average for this time of the year, as our average high is 83 degrees. Clouds will build, but as I mentioned, we're expected to stay rain-free on this Saturday. Tonight, 58, partly cloudy, will be cool once again. By tomorrow, we're looking at a 40% chance for showers. An isolated thunderstorm can't be ruled out. Most of the action will happen in the afternoon after 2 p.m. By Monday, we still have the possibility for showers, 76. And on Tuesday, finally the sunshine is back and temperatures in the 80s, and that's where we'll stay all the way through Friday.